Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to enable dark mode on Google Map. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are foreign to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Map. So I'm going to click on here to open my Google Map. Just like so. Having opened up your Google Map, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top right here. Click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on theme. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on dark mode, dark theme. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on save. It's as simple as that. And everything will be turned back to dark mode on your Google Map. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.